Welcome, friends. Today we will discuss how to take trades according to price action from the images only so that we can discuss it properly without the omission of any point and up to depth. Okay, in this picture, you may see the trend is uptrend. Here, the trend is uptrend. Market is making lower highs, so the trend is uptrend. We can it is confirmed uptrend, and here we got an engulfing pattern. Now, as it is evident, we know, all of us know that the engulfing pattern is a reversal pattern, so it is expected that second candle will be seller's candle, but it is uptrend and the engulfing pattern is against the trend. So it is highly necessary that retest of the key level of this engulfing pattern. This is the key level of this engulfing pattern. It should get retested. Why? Why it should be retested? Because this engulfing pattern is against the trend. So retest must be there. Now, you see, please, that the retest is successful and retesting candle closed below the key level. It confirms that retest is successful, so we can go with the seller now. Here we went with the sellers and we succeeded here. Okay, let us now again summarize the points. Since the trend is uptrend and engulfing pattern is against the trend, so retest was necessary. And here retest is successful, so our trade is also successful. Okay, let us see the next trade, which, okay, in this picture also the trend is till here, the trend is uptrend, and here we got the morning star pattern. This is morning star pattern and its key level is this. This is the key level, and here this candle tried to retest but not, its wick not reached to the key level of the pattern. This is the key level of morning star, and this candle failed to reach up to the this candle. Which one? This candle failed to reach the key level, retest the key level. So next candle, this candle tried to retest the key level and again failed. Now, if we focus on these two candles, then see what is there. There is very interesting point, that is first candle tried to retest, this candle tried to retest, failed, and the sellers next candle opened with gap up. That is very beautiful point here. This candle opened with gap up so as to retest that, so as to go down. But this also failed. Even after taking gap up, the sellers failed. What does this implies? This implies that this is death of sellers. So we can confidently go with the buyers now in this candle. This is confirmation. This death of sellers is confirmation. Now the buyers will come here. Okay, again, let us summarize the points. Trend is uptrend. This is morning star. First candle tried to retest the key level but failed, and this second candle opened with gap up. Sellers are trying their best, putting their all the efforts, applying all the tactics to go down. But even after they failed, it is death of sellers. So it now this death of sellers confirmed that the next candle will be the buyer's candle. Okay, now let us discuss this image. In this candle, if we see that market is making higher lows, breaking the previous higher lows, means the market is in downtrend now, and this is the target point. Now from here we can see, as the market turned down, then this is the you can say the target of the market. Now at least up to that point market will go down, and here we have evening star. This candle has not retested the key level. Moreover that this pattern is along the trend now. So this was also the trade candle. This candle was also the trade candle. But this candle retested this key level of the morning star, and still the target was not completed, as this candle has not touched that key level, that target point. So, and moreover that this last candle, that one candle opened with gap up, means seller are trying their best to reach the target. So it was highly confirmed, highly sure trade. It was highly sure to go with the sellers in that candle. Okay, this is, I think, yeah, and leave it. Now let us discuss that one image. Okay, here we can see that the market is making lower highs, and market is in uptrend. Okay, then this is uptrend, and here we got evening star, and this green candle retested the key level of the evening star. You know the key levels of the evening star are: first level is wick of that candle, second level is wick of middle candle, and third key level is the closing of this candle. And this candle, green candle, retested the closing at the closing point. So as this evening star was against the trend, so the retest was compulsory and it retested successfully. So it is wise decision to go with the sellers here. Okay, and this is the last image we will discuss. Here, trend is downtrend as the market is making higher lows. Here we have morning star with these three candles, and these are the key levels of this morning star. And since this morning star is against the trend, as the trend is downtrend, and this morning star is indicating us that the market will now go higher, and this is against the trend, so retest is compulsory. And this candle, this seller's candle, retested the key level of morning star successfully. So this is confirmation that we can go with the buyers now. And here we went with buyers and one. We have discussed here five trades now, and let me show the result of these five trades. All the five trades are one here. So in this way, if you will check the number one trend, number two the pattern, if the pattern is against the trend, then its retest is must be there. It is highly necessary to check the retest before placing the trade. And if the pattern is along the trend, then it is not necessary to check the uh, retest of the pattern. We can go directly, and if it is against the trend, then retest must, it is confirmation. Okay friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe it, share it, and comment please. Thank you.